PingSunday has the exclusive permission of Coach. Please don't upload the video without the permission of Coach YouQi and PingSunday.
Today, I will teach everyone how to learn the backspin serve in 3 steps. Step 1. Regardless of whether you're using a shakehand or pen-hold grip, the racket must be flat. The brushing contact will be longer. You can only generate a backspin serve by brushing the bottom of the ball. Step 2. While tossing the ball, rotate your waist to drive your wrist. Your fingers should open to the right at a 90-degree angle. Fully open to the right at 90 degrees, which will help us generate better power when we hit the ball. Hit the ball when it is parallel to the net. The body drives the wrist and fingers to apply force forward. Applying forward force will generate spin. Applying downward force will strike the ball harder. So at the moment of making contact with the ball using forward force, the fingers need to stop abruptly. Whoever stops better will benefit more from the shot. Whether using a shakehand or pen-hold grip, 3 fingers apply force. The thumb, index finger, and middle finger, these 3 fingers generate the power needed to execute a backspin serve. The backspin serve is an essential skill that everyone should learn. By mastering these 3 key points, you'll be able to perform a low and effective backspin serve. Hello everyone. Today I will teach you several essential serving and attacking techniques. Serve a backspin ball, sidestep to attack. 2. Serve a backspin ball, forehand straight drive. 3. Serve a side spin ball, wait for the opponent to loop, then counter with a backhand cross-court flick. 4. Serve a short backspin ball, quickly rip to the middle, then connect with a forehand quick drive. 5. Surprise with a long ball, sidestep to counter. 6. Surprise with a long ball, backhand quick rip straight. Forehand fast, drive down the line. 7. Forehand for flick serve. Transition to forehand lob. Master these 7 serving attack tactics. You'll definitely become a pro. Today I will teach you how to counter after the opponent's short ball. The first method is the forehand jump. The second method is the forehand counter loop. The third method is the forehand chop. The fourth method is the forehand flick. The fifth method is the forehand flip. The sixth method is the forehand twist. The seventh method is the backhand flick. The 8th method is the backhand twist. The 9th method is the backhand side twist. The 10th type is the backhand flick. The 11th type is the horizontal flip jump. Which of the 11 types do you think is the most threatening? Please leave a comment below the video. Serve. To serve effectively from out of bounds. Today, I'll teach you how to generate 2 types of spins using the same action. In the last video, we demonstrated how to execute a backspin serve. In this video, we will show you how to use a backspin action to perform a topspin serve. Today, I will teach you 3 steps to use a backspin and action for a topspin serve. Step 1. Keep the paddle position flat. This way, we can deceive our opponent. Step 2. While tossing the ball, rotate your waist along with your forearm and open your wrist and fingers. The third step, which is also the most critical step, at the moment of hitting the ball, do not brush the ball. You must be close to the ball and use your wrist and fingers for power. Be close to the ball and then apply power. The ball will have topspin. Everyone must understand that the principle involves creating a backspin. Brush the ball, do not spin the ball. Impact the ball, as there is no time to brush it. Therefore, you cannot produce a backspin, but the contact point must be on the upper part of the racket. To serve well, the subtle movements of the fingers are key. It takes repeated practice to improve your serves. Many people do not generate enough spin with backspin serves, or even struggle to perform backspin serves. Today, I will teach you how to execute a backspin serve. To perform a good backspin serve, there are 3 steps. The first step is to keep the paddle flat, not too upright. A flat paddle angle will allow for longer contact time, and it can hit the bottom of the ball. Stand up. The strike is not from below. The contact time is relatively short. Second step, while tossing the ball, open your wrist, fingers, and racket head fully, which helps generate better power at the moment of impact. Third step, wait for the ball to drop parallel to the net. We apply forward power at the moment of impact. Do not apply power downward. Forward will generate more spin, because the forward friction time is longer. At the moment of hitting the ball, whether using a pen hold or shakehand grip, the power comes from the thumb, index finger, and middle finger exerting force. In the next episode, I'll teach you how to use the same motion to execute a no-spin serve. Many people have difficulty receiving the opponent's backhand serve. Today, I will teach you a technique. The backhand serve can also be referred to as a reverse spin serve. When the opponent uses a backhand serve, we can't play as we normally would. If we play normally, we will miss the serve, or even hit it too high. Today, I will teach you how to receive a backhand serve in 3 steps. First, today, I will teach you how to receive a backhand serve in 3 steps. First, the racket is angled for a backhand shot. Step 2, lower the ball and strike the middle left side. Step 3, first push your forearm forward, then slide to the left, and finish with power. Master this technique, and you'll successfully counter the opponent's backhand serve. Many players ask me, what should the standard horizontal stance with a straight bat be? Today I will explain it to you. Many players, their actions look like this. This is incorrect. Question 1. The wrist should not be open. What should we do correctly? First, wrist inward. Thumb presses against the paddle face. We open the paddle face. After opening the paddle face, we have the hitting surface and can strike the ball directly from behind. If everyone drops their wrist, the strike is no longer directly from behind, but to the left side. This way, the balls we hit are not stable, so we need to angle the racket face. When we first practice the forehand and backhand strokes, we need to focus on the sensation of pushing the ball forward. Pushing the ball forward. This way, the feel in your hands, the skills in your hands will improve. At the moment of striking the ball, we should avoid swinging our wrist randomly, and some even swing their wrist outward, which is incorrect. We should use the elbow as a pivot point. The forearm drives the wrist. We move forward to hit the ball. At the beginning of practice, everyone should keep the wrist steady. We can extend the forearm a bit more forward. The wrist should be turned inward. The thumb presses down on the paddle. The paddle should be angled open. Next, I will demonstrate the correct straight paddle backhand. When hitting with a straight paddle backhand, discover a gentle sensation. Exactly. Today, I will share several advanced training plans suitable for amateur players. The first one is to continuously loop the ball to a designated spot with a forehand. This plan helps practice our footwork transitions, as well as the consistency of our strokes. The second training plan involves one backhand followed by one forehand. This plan can improve our speed of transitioning between both sides, as well as our footwork for sliding movements. The third is an advanced training plan for match scenarios, serving a backspin ball, then looping it with a forehand, and connecting to a topspin ball. This plan can enhance our performance in actual matches, increase the success rate of topspin attacks. The fourth training plan focuses on backhand slices down the line. This strategy can catch our opponents off guard during matches. The fifth advanced training plan is proactive flicking and forward defense. This plan can help us shift from a passive to an active stance in matches. Instead, it becomes an offensive move. After executing the flick, the defense must be proactive. We can only go on the offensive. Master these 5 advanced training routines. I believe you can take on the top players.
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.